Hi everyone. In this video, I will talk about the job of a product category manager. We'll discuss about the key roles and responsibilities through examples of my journey as a product category manager. Towards the end of this video, I will also be talking about the top 4 skills which one should have or one should build to become a good product category manager. Product management or category management roles have emerged as a great career option in the last few years. Besides the role at big MNCs, there are several product and category management roles that have been created by the e-commerce companies and the tech startups. So if you are someone who aspires to become a product manager or are already working in this domain and want to know something more, do watch this video till the end, where I talk about the top 4 skills to build or develop to become a good product manager. I also request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep making these videos to share my learning as a product category manager, and I hope you can get some benefit out of it. So I've been managing multi-million-dollar product category at Lenovo, and I also have a business management experience of over 8 years. So let's first understand what is a product portfolio. A product portfolio is the collection of all the products and services offered by the company. Now, a company offers or sells these products to get more revenue, profits, and market share. Product portfolio may comprise of different categories of products. It could be different product lines or individual product itself. For example, a computer manufacturing company would have different product lines like laptops, desktops, monitors, accessories, and so on. All these categories would be managed by a product category manager. Now, how to build a winning portfolio? A winning or a strong portfolio is where you have various products to offer to our customers of different needs and preferences. For example, Samsung, who makes smartphones, would have different product models like Galaxy M series for budget conscious customers. They would also have products like Galaxy S series for value buyers. Then they would also have Galaxy A series or Z series or a Galaxy Note for their mainstream and premium customers who would want to get more features from their products. So this becomes Samsung's portfolio. Likewise, Hyundai will have different products in their hatchback, sedan, and SUV range of cars to cater to different customer needs. Within each of these different product types, they would have range of economy to mainstream to premium. So having a portfolio which can cater to different customer needs can help a company get maximum share of the market. Now in this context, it is important to note, since Hyundai understood the different needs and preferences of Indian customers, it was able to get a higher market share in the last 25 years, whereas another company, Ford Motors India, which also launched its first car in 1996, couldn't understand the different customer needs of Indian customers, and they couldn't make products as per their needs and requirements, because of which they lost market share and they are now exiting the Indian market. You can read more on this story. I've put a link of this story in the description box. Now, how to identify a product gap? So technology and customer preference are changing at a rapid pace. Hence, a product manager must constantly conduct market research to identify product gap or to search for unmet customer needs. A product gap is basically a market segment that existing products are not able to serve. Hence, it also provides a business opportunity for companies. Another way to find out a product gap is by checking what products competition companies have, and if subsequently add if there is any missing product in your portfolio. For example, in my product manager role at Lenovo, where I was managing the computer accessories category, we observed that while we were able to sell a basic backpack of rupees 800 Indian rupees with the laptops range over 30,000 rupees, we were not able to sell the same backpack for the laptops which were lower than 30,000 rupees because the users of those laptops were budget conscious customers, and an increase of even 800 rupees for a backpack would meant the budget would go up for them. So we identified that since we did not have a product which was lower than 800 rupees to give to those customers were buying a lower price backpack from competition or from third party vendors. Since it was a huge opportunities in lakhs of units, we created a specific design to meet the requirements. We ensured the highest quality and then created a new product. By doing so, we were able to increase the revenue significantly. Once you have planned and constructed your portfolio, a product manager then needs to focus demand on each of those products in the portfolio. For example, if there are 10 different types of smartphones or there are 20 different types of backpacks in the product portfolio, a category manager would need to focus and load demand on all of those products. So how is it done? So it is done by first studying the last 6 or 8 quarters historical data of sales, how that product has been doing over the last so many quarters. And if the plan is to increase market share on one product, or let's say reduce dependency on some other product, then a product manager would adjust the demand accordingly on one product and would reduce the demand on the other product. For instance, as you may have heard or read that there is a supply shortage on semiconductor chips, due to which many products like laptops, smartphones, cars, consumer durables, smart gadgets, which all uses one or the other type of semiconductor chip, has a higher weight or lead time. So a product manager also needs to incorporate these supply side challenges while planning business for the product category. Now, as a product owner, you have the complete responsibility of growing business. After constructing the product portfolio and forecasting demand and supply, a product manager needs to create business plan for all the products in the portfolio. So here the objective is to use different levers or strategies, generally called as 4Ps, to drive revenue and margin growth. So 4P is a product marketing strategy based on product, price, place and promotion. So the first is product, which is basically the strong portfolio that you've built. The second is the pricing. Let me give an example of aggressive price strategy. Let's say there are 4 car manufacturers in India making hatchback cars. The market leader, let's say in Indian context, is Maruti Suzuki, feels that this segment of hatchback cars will not grow because the customer preferences is changing towards sports utility vehicle. And already there is a competition eating into Maruti Suzuki's hatchback cars market share. So it slashes the price of hatchback cars by 5% to maintain or even grow its share in this category. The third is place, which also means the sales channels. It is the go-to market strategy by which your product will reach to the customers. Now the sales channels include retail store, large retail chains, e-commerce and so on. If it is a B2B product, it would be a direct sales. The fourth is the promotion. As a product manager, you will also need to work with the marketing team to come up with high impact promotions to drive the category growth. For example, let's say an FMCG company wants to launch a new product and wants to encourage trials or usage of it. So the category manager may decide to bundle it with an already high selling product at an introductory discount. Once customers have tested and used that new product and the product has built customer acceptance in the market, a product manager would introduce the new product as a standalone product and then launch it at a regular price. So using some of these levers and strategies, a product category manager builds business plan for the next quarter or the next year and works with the sales team to drive business growth of the category. A product manager is considered as a subject matter expert. She helps answer all the technical queries from customers and sales teams. As a product manager, your job is to create a compelling product pitch which the sales team can use to explain the benefits of the products to the customer. It should also outline key selling points and differences over competition products. A product manager needs to make a lot of product presentations. Hence, the product pitch should have a compelling story as to why the customer should buy your product. For example, the reasons could be because the products have a long history of serving needs of customers, or the innovation that the company has brought in the past so many years, or the rigorous testing standards that the company follows before launching any product in the market. It could also be the high quality that the company is known for, or the industry recognition and the awards that the product or the company has already received in the past. So using all of these points, a product manager builds a very strong and compelling product story and then gives it to the sales team to explain the benefits of the product. Whether it is planning your product portfolio, forecasting demand, taking any pricing decision, or doing business planning with the sales team, if you are someone who likes to organize thoughts, facts, and the data available, and then put things into a business plan, you should be able to do a great job at product category management. Because by simply structuring the thoughts, one can rightly assess the given challenge or the business opportunity and can use the data to come up with new ideas and plan. This is an important skill which helps in all walks of work life. Collaboration or teamwork is the most important skill which a product manager should have. A product manager works with multiple cross-functional teams like demand and supply team to forecast demand on various products, finance team to work on costing and pricing of all the products. She also works with marketing team to drive product and brand awareness, with the order fulfillment team to get supplies faster, with the logistics team to deliver customer orders faster. At the front end, a product manager works with the sales team, with the channel partners, and also with the customers. Unless you have a genuine interest to serve customer requirements and delight them, you won't be able to work with different teams. Hence, teamwork and collaboration skills are must to build. Having a strong communication and presentation skills helps a product manager to create compelling product pitches. It also enables you to create the right messaging for your product so that you can position it correctly in the market. It is crucial because it defines how well your product is received in the market. If you can communicate the key features and USPs of your product quite well, you will surely be able to grow the product category. Good presentation skills also help to communicate and explain the product benefits to your customers and channel partners. To build this, one can first find out the key features and benefits of the product and then write a short description of the solution it is offering. In this way, you'll be able to communicate key messages or key features of the products. Analyzing data to determine industry and consumer trends is an important skill that one should have to become a good product manager. While different tools like MS Excel, Tableau, Power BI are there through which you can read or present the data, but you should also be able to analyze the data and make sense out of it. For instance, one can analyze sales data of the company to identify key user trends. By looking at purchase patterns, it can also be identified what sales promotion strategies to be deployed. Then the data needs to be mapped with the market insights and the customer feedback, which a category manager has gathered and collected. By doing so, one can identify huge opportunities to grow the business by using any of the levers that I've spoken about. Hence, data analyzing has become a key important skill in today's time. I sincerely hope that you would have liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for my channel for more such product management related videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.